Welcome to Buy Spares. In this video we will show you how to replace the inlet valve on a Zanussi washing machine. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If your washing machine is not filling or showing error code E11, then this suggests the inlet valve. Always check the water pressure and the inlet valve filter first before changing the valve. Take the top off by removing the two screws at the back. Lift it off and put to one side. This valve is located at the back of the machine. There are no screws holding it in place, as this type twists into position through the cabinet and locks with a pip on the valve. Disconnect the electrical connections to the valve. To get the hoses off the valve, use a pair of pliers to move the Jubilee clips and pull the hoses off. Remember, the hoses may be different sizes. Then remove the inlet valve. To release the pip, use a screwdriver to push the pip so it clears the cabinet and twist the valve to remove. Fit the hoses onto the new valve and use the pliers to reattach the Jubilee clips. Put the valve through the cabinet and twist until it locks and you can see the pip. Now reconnect the electrical connections. Now just the top to put back into place and refit the two screws in the back. And there we have it, one inlet valve replaced on a Zanussi washing machine. For all the spares you need, visit the Buy Spares website.